AWS gives you a full year of free cloud services. By the end of this video, you will have a live AWS account, a billing alert to protect your budget, and a secure login, all set up and ready to go. This program is Module 1, Episode 3 of the Understanding AWS and Cloud Services course, brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team. This is a hands-on video, so feel free to pause and follow along. We will cover understanding the free tier, creating your AWS account, setting up a billing alert, and creating your first secure user. The AWS Free Tier is a robust set of services designed to let you build, test, and run real workloads at zero cost. It's not just a 30-day trial. The AWS Free Tier includes 3 things: 12-month free for services like EC2, S3, and RDS, always free for services like Lambda and DynamoDB, and free trials for specific services. Always check the free tier usage dashboard. We will use 4 core AWS services in this series, all included in the free tier: EC2 virtual servers, S3 file storage, Lambda serverless functions, and RDS managed database. Now, let's create your account. Go to aws.amazon.com and click Create an AWS account. The whole process should take about 10 minutes. Step 1. Fill in your email, account name, and password. Use a real email for the root account and a strong password. Don't use a shared personal email. Create a dedicated one. Step 2. Provide your contact information. Choose personal or business account type. Enter your full name, phone number, and address. You will verify your identity in the next step. Step 3. Add a payment method. AWS requires a card to verify your identity and only charges you if you exceed free tier limits. They accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and some prepaid cards. Step 4. Verify your identity. This takes less than 2 minutes. Choose text message for the fastest experience. Enter your phone number and then the 4-digit PIN AWS sends you. Click Continue to be verified. Step 5. Choose your support plan. Always choose the basic free plan when getting started. It includes access to documentation and forums. Skip the paid plans like developer and business. After selecting basic support, click Complete Sign Up. AWS will activate your account. This usually takes a few minutes, but can take up to 24 hours. Congratulations, your account is live. Before launching any service, set up a billing alert. This is the most important protective step. It ensures you never open an email to an unexpected charge. Without an alert, unexpected charges accumulate silently. A $1 alert is a common starting point. Think of it as a smoke detector for your AWS account, giving you time to react before costs grow. To set up the alert, go to the AWS console, Billing Dashboard, Budgets, and Create Budget. First, open Billing Preferences and check the box for Receive Free Tier Usage Alerts. Avoid common mistakes. Never skip this step. Set the threshold low, ideally at $1, for a sensitive warning. Use an email you check daily and enable both the billing budget and the free tier usage alerts. Next, let's address the root user problem. Your root account has unlimited power, so using it for daily tasks is a major security risk. We need to create a safer, restricted login. The root user has unlimited access and should only be used for billing. The IAM user, which you create, has only the permissions you grant and is best for all day-to-day work. Creating your first IAM user takes about 5 minutes. Search for IAM in the console. Click Users, then Add Users. Give it a username and check Password, AWS Management Console access. While in the security mindset, enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, on your root account. This ensures nobody can log in, even if they steal your password. Use an authenticator app like Authy or Google Authenticator. Avoid the most common errors. Never operate as root. Always use your IAM user. Don't skip billing alerts. Always check the region selector to prevent exceeding free limits. And remember, your 12-month free tier clock is ticking. Utilize your free tier dashboard for monitoring usage. Find it under Billing and Cost Management, then Free Tier. Check it regularly, especially for EC2 running hours and data transfer out, to stay within limits. If you've followed along, you've completed your secure, cost-protected AWS account setup. You have a live AWS account, an IAM user, an active billing alert, and MFA enabled on your root login. Congratulations, you are now using the same infrastructure as major global companies. The same powerful, reliable, and global infrastructure is now available to you, completely free for the next 12 months. The free tier allows you to host a website using EC2 or S3, securely back up your files with S3, automate small tasks with Lambda, and run a real database using RDS, all at no cost. Remember the key limits: 12 months free, 750 EC2 hours per month, 5 gigabytes of S3 storage, and 1 million free Lambda requests per month, forever. Up next is the console walkthrough, followed by launching your first deployments, including an EC2 server and S3 bucket, and then a deep dive into IAM user management. You can download the free account setup guide PDF, a printable checklist with screenshots for every step in this video. Click the link in the description to download your free copy. To recap, you have a live AWS account, an active billing alert, an IAM user created, and MFA enabled. You've completed every foundational step for a successful cloud journey. You are cloud ready. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's console walkthrough. The hardest step is always the first one, and you just took it.